On August 19th, the Three Gorges Dam opened 10 spillways to lower the flood pressure for the first time since 2003, when the massive dam started operation. On the day before, Sichuan Province issued a Level 1 flood alert, also for the first time in history. Floodwaters reached the feet of Leshan Giant Buddha for the first time in 70 years. The fifth flood peak entered the Three Gorges Reservoir on August 19th at a speed of 74,000 cubic meters per second. The dam opened 10 spillways to discharge the flood, a record high since the opening of the dam. 4 days ago, the dam was just hit by the fourth flood peak on August 14th. The fifth flood turned Chongqing city into a swampland. Many roads were shut off. Water flooded the gate of Chaotianmen Wharf, and shops near the Yangtze River began to evacuate the day before. Road signs were largely submerged. By 10 a.m. on August 19th, water level at Chaotianmen Wharf exceeded the safety level by 5.69 meters, 18.7 feet, and it was still rising. Leshan city of Sichuan Province is one of the worst hit cities as three major rivers, Min, Qingyi, and Dadu rivers, converge inside the city. After days of torrential rains in the province, water levels at all three rivers kept rising and eventually inundated Leshan city. In some places, floodwaters reached rooftops. The 71-meter-high, 233 feet Leshan Giant Buddha, the tallest stone Buddha in the world, had its feet covered by water, and the scenic spot was closed. This is the first time since 1949 that the Leshan Giant Buddha has been flooded to its feet. The Buddha statue took 90 years to build between 713 and 803 Tang Dynasty, specifically for the purpose of protecting people from water-related disasters, especially for preventing boats from sinking. There is a folklore saying among locals which says, "Toes in water, flooding to follow." It means when water level covers the Buddha statue's toes, the entire province will be severely flooded. The flood also caused a road to collapse. During the early morning hours of August 19th, the street in front of Yinlong Square in Yibin City suddenly collapsed to form a huge pit, swallowing 21 cars instantly. On the same day, a man in Yibin City washed away when filming the floods on the river bank of Min River. Fifth flood peak goes through Yangtze River's Chongqing section.
好变结束了，好变结束了哈！我放哪里去？好多锅儿好嘛！